This is for the CSS. We're in your styles, and this is going to get typed just like you see on my screen and the answer key that is on the Google slide for your daily agenda slides. So I'm not going to spend too much time because these you just have to text out the colors. You're picking these hex codes, these values, from the two images that you have. So that's where those numbers for you come from. You're not using my colors, but you're using the colors that come from your selfie and your list image. Or if you've downloaded the Colorzilla app, you can use that to pick whatever colors you want from a page as well. So that's about color. So basically all of this, you're just going to copy from the agenda side. The only thing that is a little different are the fonts from Google Fonts. So Arial's not from Google Font, but, or we chose cursive, I'm sorry, in one of them, and I think Arial in another. But regardless, the Google font is the only one that's different. So you would come to Google Fonts, and we practiced doing this, Google Font. You search for the font that we're using first to make sure before you start browsing for a font that if you have anything in your shopping bag that you empty it. So I click on it since it says I have something in it and remove all. And then I type in whatever font I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for the Whisper font, I type it in. Okay, once I've clicked on it, I get the font, embed code. This whole first section, copy code, this is going to get pasted in my head tag. So in my HTML, I would come to the headline, I'd hit enter, I'd create this brand new space, and I'd paste my code from Google Fonts. And then for the CSS, you only want the one line that reads font family, that line that I've highlighted, and that one's going to go in your CSS in whichever selector you're putting it. So if I wanted Whisper for my H1, I'd paste it right here on line 12. Okay. And then that's basically, other than just getting the code on your screen, that's basically only the new tricks that we've learned. Okay. And then you would zoom out and take a screenshot of lines 1 through 55 and post it to the discussion.